Hi, I'm Janelle Ocampo, and here are 10 examples of electrical tools that will be handy in any time of need. First of all is the screwdriver. There are different types of screwdrivers. For example, the flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and many more. Just like in this picture, you can see different screwdriver heads for each screw. Second is pliers. Just like the screwdriver, there are also different types of pliers. Just like the side cutters, slip joint pliers, bent nose pliers, and many more. Just look at these pictures. Pliers are used for gripping, twisting, and cutting wires, so this is helpful for electrical uses. Wrenches. Wrenches are used for gripping, fastening, turning, tightening, and loosening nuts and bolts. And there are also different types, as shown in the picture, for different sizes and shapes. Fourth is pullers. Pullers are used for removing parts like pulleys, bearings, or gears from a shaft. And they have these things called leads. It can be 2 or 3, and they circle around the back or inside of a part, and it has a forcing screw in the middle. This is a wire stripper. Just in its name, it is self-explanatory. This tool is used to stripping electrical insulation from electrical wires, and it is used to cut copper, brass, iron, aluminum, and steel wire. Plus, it has insulated handles to prevent the user in being electrocuted. Sixth is a tape measure. It is a tool used to measure the length of something in particular, or just the distance and placements that can be helpful in electrical work. It is also handy, so it is very easy to handle and carry. Seventh is a multi-tester or a multimeter. This tool is important because it helps the electrician measure voltage, current, and resistance. There are 2 types, the analog and the digital. The analog one is using a pointer, while the digital uses numbers. A claw hammer. You may be curious, what will it help in the electrical work? But this hammer is useful, especially when you're working in a construction area or rebuilding a house. You need to remove certain nails so you can add sockets and other wirings in the house. Ninth is a fish tape, which is used for routing wiring through walls and push and pull solid wire through electrical conduit. It also comes in a reel, as seen in the picture, so it makes the job easier. Last but not the least is the electrician's knife. This is also needed in electrical work because it's used to cutting cables and wires. It is also used in stripping off plastic insulation and also boxes and other things wrapped in tape that carries materials needed in the electrical work. It is very handy and is designed especially for electricians. So that is the 10 electrical tools and its uses and other types. Thank you for listening.